Alright, to freeze your projectiles, as you can see here, it is real simple to do, so let's get started. So to begin with, open up your first person character. This is how we're going to actually control the freezing of the projectiles. And here, over here on your event dispatchers, you want to click this, add a new event. I'm going to call this Notif Freeze Projectile, just like that. Compile and save so that we can drag it out and use it. And for the sake of the tutorial, I'm just going to use this on the 1 key. So I'm going to go keyboard 1, just like that. Now you could call this on, like, say the character gets hit or something, or whatever mechanic you would like. But now I'm just going to drag this out, and I'm going to select call, and then just simply hook this up to pressed. And now that is really all we have to do inside our character. So you can compile and save this, and now we can close out of this and open up the first person projectile. Inside of here, we want to bind to that dispatcher we created. So right click and do begin play, like that. And to bind to it, we have to cast to the character. So drag off this and do cast to first person character right here. The object, you can just do get player character. Then off of our cast right here, you want to search for bind event on and scroll up until you find the event dispatcher we created. So it's right here under default, bind event to Notif Freeze Projectile, right there. And as you can see, the little event pin comes out. So just drag off of the event and do add custom event, like that. Call this event freeze projectile or something along those lines. And this is where you want to drag out your projectile movement right here. Drag off of your projectile movement and search for set velocity in local space right here. And you want all these values to be 0 because obviously we do not want the projectile to be moving. So now there's one more optional thing you may or may not have to do. If your projectile has gravity on it, then if we just stop the velocity, it will still just fall to the ground. So you want to drag off of this and do set gravity scale right here, and just set that to 0 as well. If your projectile doesn't have gravity, then you just don't even have to worry about this step. And so basically what this bind right here is doing is it's just listening for the event dispatcher to be called, basically. So whenever we press the 1 key over here in the projectile, it will execute this. So then just simply compile and save, and we can test it out. Alright, so back in the viewport, if we walk over here, pick up the rifle, and we can shoot normally, and as you can see, the projectiles fly around. But if we shoot a little bit and then we press 1, as you can see, the projectiles freeze in the air. Now, you can see that they're disappearing. That's just Unreal Engine's default setup, because although they are freezing, they will still disappear. But yeah, that's a simple way you can freeze projectiles in Unreal Engine. If you enjoyed or found it useful, leave a like, subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.